Alright guys, so for today's video, we are going to talk about Web3 Camp. Okay, so this is a quiz to earn for Web3 by Web3. Okay, so they're having this advocacy, to reward users, of course, from learning in Web3. And of course, you learn and you earn some of it, of what you learn. So if you are excited like me, okay, do not forget, of course, to subscribe into our channel. This is Crypto Addict here, back again with new and fresh contents for you guys every single day. And of course, let's just jump right into it. So they are providing learning materials, okay? So they have an app store, okay, that is gonna come soon. So you can download it on your Android or even in your iOS mobile devices, okay? So learning content, so everything that you can see here in Web3 Camp is more into Web3 related, more into crypto stuff, okay? And of course, if you are someone who are just trying to penetrate crypto, you want to learn cryptocurrency, you want to learn Web3, this is one of the apps that you can probably use for you to be able to learn what you really need to learn. Okay, I hope it does make sense, right? So of course, quiz to earn is you get a token rewards for proof of knowledge, and then there is also a smart quiz generating system. So it means just like in exams, you can't cheat. Okay, I know a lot of people cheat, but of course they've made this model because they don't want users to actually abuse this technology or this application, this project that they have. And of course, if it's cheating, it's not good. I mean, it's unfair, So of course, not only that, there's also a patronship. There's a free content or paid content, and free content is more of like the creator is just giving it out for free. Paid content is more of like when you subscribe to this specific content creator, this creator will be compensated with a specific amount. And of course, it should be something like, let's say, this content creator is like charging this for a specific month because there is something that is something that is going on. Let's say a much more detailed or a much more personalized or much more deeper content about crypto that you need to know. And that's something that also you should watch for. So now we're going back here. These content creators can generate income by providing high quality content for learners. Okay, so it's more of like YouTube Premium, but just imagine that this one is much more focused into crypto, much more focused in Web3, And since it's gonna be paid content, it needs to be much more valuable than the others. So the application will come soon, and this is part of the roadmaps as well. So they are community-oriented economies. So they aims to create a vibrant ecosystem for community-oriented economies, like what I've said before. And later on, I will be showing to you guys how you'll be able to also put some of your baskets into this project by buying into their IDO, because they are having this in Bybit, and I will be showing to you guys as well how you can be able to deposit your money, how you'll be able to get these tokens later on. Okay, so please stay tuned as I explain first everything that I see into Web3 Camp. So there are 4 phases, and of course there's more to come coming soon. The first one is this phase 1, which I think they've almost completed it, because there's a product design, there's already a governance token, and then the TGE is coming. So phase 2 is more of the partnerships and into the demo launch, which means you will be able to use this app at the phase 2. Of course, on the phase 3, there will be a public beta, there will be a public launch as well. So there's an ambassador program, because of course this is a community driven project as well, more users that are gonna use this, much more better. So now on the phase 4, then they're looking to open for online courses, certifications, and degrees. So just think of it that, you know, it's a Udemy with a click of having this incentives for those people who really wants to learn about crypto, you know. Of course, that's not just the focus, but there's more to come that are gonna gonna happen here in the future. They do have this white paper. You can just take your time as well. Take your time, guys, to actually read everything here, because I think you really need to learn everything about this. Of course, this tokenomics as well, which is gonna be available very soon. Of course, it's actually it's not very soon because it's here. This is the total supply. So there's more than a million, billion, trillion supply of shipping. So there's 100 trillion supply that is gonna be distributed on the percentage like this. And this is like the vesting period for every single baskets, you know. So as you can see, they're vested for more than I'm not sure. I think it's 8 years if my math is right. Six. Yeah, I think it's 8 years. Wait, 12, 60, 72, 84. It's 7 years and a half. I think 7 years and a half. So they're in here for long term, So let's see, because you know, I think if this is the amount of tokens that is available, the price of it is just very low. So you do not need to worry about like 3P tokens is just too high to buy, you know it. And like what I've said before, it's always buy when it's just got, you know, launch or even in IDOs, because that's the best deal that you can even get in any single one of them. Okay, so this is the white paper, and now I will be teaching you how you'll be able to buy it via Bybit. Okay, so it's very easy, guys. And let's go. So for you to be able to buy Web3Camp's token, what you need to do is you need to put first money into your Bybit Web3. So what you just need to do is just search it into your Google and then just go directly here. So Bybit Web 3.0, and then what you just need to do is you need to log in. If you have an existing Bybit account, you should be able to log in much more easier, because what you just need to do is you just need to create a Web20 wallet address, and after that you're good to go. So here you go. Okay, we are here at the IDO. This is the requirements for you to be able to subscribe, since it's kind of be harder, because this is just a very limited. The Bybit is just requiring 300 USDT in BNB chain and at least 0.1 BNB in your Bybit wallet. So you do not really need to use this 300 USDT that you will be getting. However, of course, if you get more tokens, it's probably better for you, because I mean, this is an undervalued project in my opinion. So now let's continue and let's finish the subscription requirements. So first of all, you need to have a Bybit wallet. So I think I've made the tutorial before, guys, about people who wants to trade to just download Bybit right away. You just need to prepare your KYC documents, like a valid ID, like a proof of address and stuff. And then after you've done that, you just go straight into the P2P right away. And now, of course, we don't want to dive into that portion over there, because let's discuss first on how we can buy. So first of all, we need to have 0.1 BNB. So we're going to buy 0.1 BNB here. So let's just click this buy button right here. let's click. Okay, so buy BNB. So buy in BNB, and we've already had a BNB already. So now we go back here into our spot, and then I think we need to buy more because there's like a fee there. So we're gonna buy, let's say, for safety purposes, just buy like 0.12 BNB. So in my case, I'm just gonna buy a little bit more, and then after that, go back to the spot, and there you have it. I mean, it's already here. Let's refresh this, and I think it's not yet live. So we're gonna wait for a little bit. Okay, it's already done. So when you have this, you go back here and you click the deposit. And then the good thing here is that if you already have a Bybit account, okay, you can just click transfer from Bybit account, which means it's make it easier because this Bybit Web3 are connected to the Bybit official trading website. No, so since it's just like a different entity, so it's a lot more easier, and it's of course a lot more better. So now let's move forward. So transfer from Bybit account, just click this, click next, and of course I do already have a USDT here, so I'm just gonna buy, let's say, 3 USDT. It's not it's okay as well. Hold on, I think it's already here. Hold on. Transfer from Bybit account. Click this, and yep, here we go. I'm just gonna buy a little bit, let's say $2, because I already have 299. So make sure that you need to gotta give it like small amount of money. Like let's say if the subscription is $300, you need to put, let's say, 301, 302, because there's fees there, right? So if of course it's 0.1 BNB, try to put 0.12 BNB or 0.13 BNB, and of course you can be able to use it in the future. So okay, so the minimum withdrawal amount is $10. So let's just click the submit button here. So confirm to withdraw. So let's just click submit, and then let's deposit 0.1 BNB. So let's transfer it again, and now this time I think we can click we can put BNBs here. Okay, so let's go back on the assets. So let's click this, transfer from Bybit account, spot account, click next, and here you go. Let's just deposit everything. So let's click submit. Oh, I think, oh yeah, I think it's good. Let's click submit, and we're done. All right, we're done. We already have USDT, BNB is coming. So let's just wait for a few more minutes and we'll get back to the tutorial. Now it's already here in my Bybit account. So it just took me 1 minute for it to reflect. And let's go back into this IDO. So we are already here. So I refreshed it, it's 100%. Just click subscribe to IDO, and as you can see, subscription successful. Your ticket number is this. So if your ticket number is selected into the lottery, your Bybit wallet will need to have both USDT to redeem IDO tokens as well as BNB to pay for the gas fees. So let's just ignore it and then wait for this subscription to actually end. And this is the full details. So all participants will have an equal chance to win token allocation lottery. Holders of winning tickets may redeem their allocations dominated in USDT of tokens with USDT from their Bybit wallets. So I think pretty much, guys, you understand what it means. Okay, so everyone is equal, and you just need to wait for this timeline, and then after that you need to redeem as well here, and that's pretty much it. Of course, you need to there's no need for KYC for you to be able to participate here. But this is just the requirement. You just need $300 and 0.1 BNB for you to be eligible in the Bybit Web3 IDO. And you need to also update your Bybit app to version 4.9. So for you not to think of this that much, just update your Bybit into the latest version. Okay. And of course, most of my followers are already, what they call that, have a Bybit. So it's gonna be a lot more easier for you guys to actually have subscribe here. So you just need to prepare some pretty much money for you to be able to start. And of course, it's kind of big, but for me it's kind of worth it. So that's why I'm also subscribing too, you know. So now that's it for today's video, guys. Of course, do not forget to follow them on Twitter. I'm closely watching them all the time. And you can see that they are supported by Bybit, okay? Personally supported by Bybit, you know. So also follow this. I forgot to follow this Bybit Web3, guys. And that's my actual mistake as well. So let's continue, guys. Of course, don't forget to subscribe in my channel. This is Crypto Addict here. Back again with new contents every single day. And let's see you guys on the next video.